I have here Gorilla Tape, which I believe it's 50 yards, or 50 yard, yes, I believe 50 yards. And I've had this for a while now, and it still works as if it's brand new pack, like if I just bought it yesterday. And it's really good, really good material. I've used it indoor and outdoor. That's what it was made for. And I believe you can use it for wood, stone, brick, etc. Even on the concrete, it works. I've used it, like I said before. And I just want to show you guys how easy it is to use it and to cut, because we've all been there with the clear tape. It's so hard to cut. You need scissors, you can't rip it, you need to use your teeth to open it or to cut it. But this right here, you can see it's pretty strong. So see, and see how easy it is to cut open, or to cut, sorry, not open, but to cut. See how easy it is? And I'm gonna do it again. This is why I love the tape. It's really good, and it's just super easy. You don't need scissors, you don't need to use your teeth, you don't need anything. You just use your fingers. That's enough. All right, now let's just cut it. Sorry, it's really sticky. Easy, super easy. This is why I love it, and it sticks to pretty much everything. It's so good.